Hello and welcome back to the Iron Horse Farm. Yes, still trying to get my YouTube back into play. Haven't done much since yesterday. No, I actually got pretty bored. Still using a phone. I need if anybody watches this and has any suggestions for good cameras to buy, I would definitely buy that. Because I don't have a laptop. I'm doing this on a desktop. Okay, is he fucking empty? Okay, good. Let's hire a worker on that. Today we're actually gonna get a cultivator going on this field. If you don't have Farming Simulator 2015, I suggest you get it. First person view is just amazing. Way better than 13 and 11. And when we pull into the farmyard here, I'll show you all the detail they've added on in this map. Okay. No. Almost went in the fucking river there. Okay. I'm actually using the Bank of Hindsight mod also. Oh, you see that gate open automatically? Fucking sexy. Oh. Okay, we need to try to find cedar in here. There's another fucking grain cart. Jesus Christ, how many of these are there? Yeah, but we're gonna try to find the cedar in here. I honestly have no idea where it is. Let me check my map. Okay, let's find this fucking cedar now. Oh, you jizzhole. The fuck is it? Plow. Bucket. The fuck's the cedar? There's a cultivator up there. Okay, well, let's try to find the fucking cultivator then. Thing on this map, when it spawns, everything's in a fucking different spot. So that kind of sucks. Some free willy. But oh fucking A. Okay, I think it's in here. Or nah. Oh, also in this map, the chicken feed themselves. So you don't have to provide feed for them. You can just go here. Go to animals. And what the fuck? Holy shit, there's tons of animals in this bitch. You can go to chicken and just bam, bam, bam. Oh yeah, gonna make some money off of eggs. Cause we poor as shit and we need some money off of eggs. Fuck yeah. Egg money. Okay, that's enough fucking chickens now. Yeah, I would buy cattle, but we just ain't got the money. We just ain't got the money. Okay, well, this was just an update on Iron Horse Farms, and you can see that I haven't did that much, so please like, subscribe, and do all that. Good night.